Yes.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity.
Ang clear ng sky.
Oo. Paano, be?
Calming. No.
Probinsya lang, be. Sana all. Be, masakit na nga ulo ko sa Pilipinas na property pa lang eh.
It's okay. Nasobrahan ka naman. Parang sumobra ka naman. Na lang namin. Saludo lang lang natin.
Oy, wag kayong ganyan. Wala tayong sasakyan mamaya. Meds, wait. Meds, wait. May lalabas.
Okay, we're talking about that to our friends now.
There you go. You can go.
Okay.
There you go.
Good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hindi pa kami hagarda. Mamaya ko na mapawag ng video. May iiyak. Taxi, please. I haven't drove the cliffs for the longest time. Si Apple. Souvenir shop.
Any restroom? Ito na.
Did you? Thanks to Apple and I. You made your summer this year.
coffee bukas.
Yeah. So, actually, kasi, like,
Parang yung mga nasa sasakyan na tawagan.
Oh my goodness me! That's so beautiful! Eka lang. Oh na. Okay na. Naka-video ako tapos sabay picture.
But I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown instead. I've always wondered what it takes to feel this empty void inside. But now I feel like you were what I needed this whole time. No one else is on me feeling this way.
Pauwi na kami. Mga pagudan na. On to our next destination tomorrow. Ayan. Uwi na kami. Uwi na. Uwi na? Uwi na? Haggard na uli? Yes. Di na naman siya nag-hey. Di na naman nag-work.
Sa labas tayo. Alam mo, ang sarap pagsama-sama ng foodie.
I agree.
Happy ka. Nagka-foodie ang nagsama-sama.
Bakit kinikilig ka?
Kasi ang sarap ng pagkain. I'm so happy with the food.
Paul, teka lang, bago tayo kumain yun ng atin. Oo.
Tignan natin. Oh my gosh.
If you don't mind, can we get, which one would you like?
fresh. Okay.
So, paano kakainin? I-capture mo muna si Apple. Sige, Apple.
Oh my God.
So, ano mo na yung lemon? Although,
Lahat? Hang on, lemon.
oh, we can ask for Tabasco.
Ito.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Ito, like this.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, like this. Tapos,
If you like spicy?
No.
Okay.
Konting spicy lang ng salt hindi. Hindi na.
No. That's it.
First time to eat this.
Good luck to me. Teka lang tatanggalin ko. Nakatanggal na ba siya?
And then slurp it. Fresh.
Very feminine. Nagagyak.
Fresh, diba? It's good.
Sweet.
Yeah, I know. Because it's fresh.
It's sweet.
Video ba?
I don't know. Ah, yes. Kumaano. Yes, Deb. Meron siyang aftertaste na lang sa pero you will yung parang metallic.
Ano?
Parang yung last na metallic same.
Enjoy the Tabasco. Dito yung Tabasco nilagay.
Tamis, no?
Ang sarap.
Ninamnam ko kasi eh. Ang sarap
Ayun
niya.
yung ano,
Yun yung aftertaste.
aftertaste.
Yeah, I told you about the aftertaste, yeah.
Sarap.
Ang sarap niya.
Thank you, lady.
Kasi sweet me, oo. Ikaw, bunso. Masarap na ito ba? Ah, pinapikit-picture pa.
Just one.
Just one? Apat yung nilagay ko.
Tamis.
Uy, pinicturean mo ba?
Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.